Hi my lovies and welcome back to my channel. I feel so much better than the last time we spoke on this channel, and I'm really excited to say I have taken all you guys' advice and kind of comments and everything on board. If you are like brand new to this channel or you don't know what the hell I'm actually ranting and raving about, I will leave you a link to my last video, which I kind of titled like I'm so lost, and I think that's exactly how I felt last Monday when I filmed this video. Sorry, my hair is like so messy. I was just out in the rain. I had to go to my car and now my hair is like a hot mess. Anyway, let's move on from that. I basically made a video saying I was lost. I'm kind of like confused as what direction to take my channel in, and I needed you guys' help. Basically, that was the gist of the whole thing, and I kind of went into a couple more details on it. I'm not going to reiterate everything in this video. I'm not going to rant on for 18 minutes again, guys. So feel free to do like a little jolly dance if you want. What I wanted to create this video for was basically to tell you, like kind of keep you in the loop and tell you what the hell's going on. And I previously just filmed a video doing the Huda Beauty versus Penny's palettes. And if you guys are looking at me thinking that I look a bit odd, maybe I have different like eyeshadows on, that's just why. I did that video for you and it will be up soon. The whole gist of this is basically that I have taken on board all of you guys' comments. You want to see like the whole list of comments. I was writing down everything and compiling it into like, I don't know, like summary of what you guys had written in the comments and your comments to me, and I brought them all to my management last Friday. I met Dave. So Dave and I sat down. We sat down for like 2 hours down in house in Leeson Street. I actually love that place at Christmas. It's just so beautiful. And we sat down and we discussed everything. So I brought forward all my notes from you guys, from all the comments and everything that you had written. And majority rules was that you guys love the content that I put up, which I was actually blown away by. I started crying when I read some of the comments that some of you guys had said it's your personality we watch this channel for, not the content. The content is like a bonus, and I actually got so emotional. And I was even telling John, I was like, I'm so emotional over this because you guys are just so amazing, and to hear that you watch my channel for me is just unbelievable, because I just thought I was another beauty channel in the millions, and that you just kind of like stumbled upon it. You didn't stay for the personality, you just came, watched what I had to talk about and then left. That's what I felt my channel was. And I know you guys are probably like, that's nuts because you have your subscribers from years and years, but that's just the way my brain was working. It was not working properly in regards to my channel, and that's why I was so stuck. All in all, you will see a vlog coming up on my channel today, and you're probably confused as to why there's so much content going on to this channel, because that is what we're going to do moving forward. I hate saying that. It's like so like business talk, and I'm not really that business talky type of girl, but going forward or in the future and from now on, everything is going to be uploaded on this channel, whether it be vlogs, rant videos, advice, nutrition, whatever I feel I want to put up is going on to this channel. You might get 1 video a day, you might get 2, you might get 3 in a week, you might get 7. I mean, is that not just way better than having to, you know, go to one channel to see if I've uploaded vlogs, or sticking to one channel to see if I have beauty videos? I have decided by myself, and from reading comments, 1 beauty video a week I can do. I can do that. I can manage that. So I want to do 1 dedicated beauty video a week, maybe 2 if I have more interesting things to talk about, new palettes coming out, new, you know, products that you want reviewed. That's what's going to happen. The beauty portion is not leaving this channel, which makes me so relieved because I miss it so much. I really do. I actually honestly miss it. Even putting makeup on today, I was like, I miss doing this, and I miss talking to you guys about makeup. So it's not going anywhere. You will just have different elements of me on this channel, like nutrition, Aisling, because I'm qualified nutritionist. I went to college for 4 years to get a degree. I did 2 subsequent courses to educate myself better in nutrition as well. So I have like 6 years under my belt of education with regards to nutrition. I'm sure I can make plenty of content for you guys, and the fact that, you know, it's coming from a place of education, you might benefit from it as well. Like, it's not just me talking about stuff that I don't really have any clue about. I have the scientific knowledge behind it, not like tooting my own horn, but I have studied it in depth and I can talk to you guys about it. So I think that's what I want to do as well. So beauty, nutrition, vlogs going on this channel. Some of you don't like vlogs, you probably hate them. Don't watch them. You don't have to. That's why the diversity of content is going up with this channel. You can pick and choose what videos you want to watch, and you know, you're not going to miss out on beauty because it's still going to be there once a week. You're not going to miss out on, you know, me having these kind of chats because I can do that as often as you want. I can do hauls, I can do advice videos, I can do Q&As on nutrition if it's just something you want, like a whole nutrition Q&A, I can do that. I can do a Q&A on makeup, I can do a Q&A on advice, I can do a Q&A on whatever you want. And whatever you want on this channel, I want you guys to put that forward into the comments. I read them. I read all of them. Some people did actually stay on my vlog channel. I saw the comments today that they were worried that, you know, moving from my vlog channel back over to my beauty channel, that there's going to be like, okay, if you are not new to my vlog channel, you will know that my vlog channel is a very happy place. Very nice, lovely. Comments are amazing. Everybody helps each other out in the comment section. The beauty segment went a little bit awry there for a while. I was getting horrible comments on it. I feel like people were fighting in the comment section. It was just not a nice place to be. So I feel like my vlog viewers are worried coming back over to my beauty channel that there's going to be, like, the comments aren't going to be as nice, or, you know, people helping each other out in my comment section is not going to be the way forward. However, I can stress that that's not going to happen. I am not going to let anybody come along and start being nasty on my channel. They'll be blocked instantly. If you want to, like, spill your guts in a comment, I'm going to still read it. And I hope that other people, like they do in the vlog channel, will help with whatever comment you have. I've seen so many people put comments up, like asking questions, you know, talking about maybe their illnesses, talking about, you know, tough times in their life. And I see my other subscribers commenting underneath it, you know, saying, have a great day, and, you know, I hope everything goes well, and, you know, good luck in your operation, or good luck with your pregnancy, or, you know, good luck with whatever it may be in your life. And everybody boosts each other up in my comment section on my vlog channel. But I can assure you guys that that is what's going to happen on my beauty channel. I just won't allow it any other way, because in my heart I feel like I'm a kind-hearted person. I know I'm a kind-hearted person. It's not that I feel it, I know I am. And I want the people who view me to be of the same kind of mind. We're going to disagree on tons of things. That's going to be the fun part of it as well. And we're going to agree on lots of things as well. But I want you guys to feel free to constantly post whatever you want in the comment section. I will only monitor the comment section or block people if there's nastiness, name calling, you know, stuff that I don't agree with in life. I will block it. But if you're voicing your opinion and it's an opinion that differs to me, that's fine. We've done all that before. We've been down those roads before, and it's fine. I don't block people for having different opinions. And likewise, if you have questions and stuff, that you can always post them in my comments. And I hope that you guys all help each other out in the comment section, because I actually love to see that going on in my comment section. One person having a question, other people helping and solving it, and it's just lovely. It's just really, really nice. So basically that is everything, guys. I feel so much happier and better in my skin and better in just every general aspect of my life right now after that meeting with Dave, and that we're going to focus on this channel being my main channel, possibly changing it to my name in the new year so that it's not Dramaticmac, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. The other thing is, if this doesn't work, I will do something different. So if you guys are hating the format of this channel, speak up and tell me, because I'll switch it up. I'm open to change. Hello, I'm very open to change, and if that's something that you guys want to see on my channel upcoming, then I will do that. So I hope I haven't ranted on for too long. I'm sorry guys if these videos are becoming like really boring. I won't be doing any more kind of like of these updated videos unless it's life updates or if any other changes come about. I really appreciate how patient you guys have been and your comments and just everything in general. I just feel like such a happy person. I've always been a happy person, but I just feel like now that I know the direction I'm taking for the foreseeable future, I'm even more happy, and I have really cool content planned for December, guys, and Vlogmas and everything. It's just all happiness. So I hope you guys enjoy what's coming up. Thank you so much for being subscribed. Thank you so much for your comments on my last video. Even Dave was reading through them and he was overwhelmed with the amount of them. He just thought it was amazing, incredible. And yeah, thank you for everything that you guys have done for me, and I just hope that I can give you back way more in December and in the new year, and I just can't wait for like everything. It's just so exciting. Let me know what beauty videos you want to see. Let me know what nutrition videos you want me to film. Let me know what content you want to see, because we're going to keep the ball rolling, and I'm going to upload as I kind of see fit. And if you don't like those videos, let me know. Do let me know. And if you do like them, also let me know, because then I'll know what to do in the future. I am so hyper because I just drank a whole cup of coffee, like a massive cup of coffee. So sorry about that, guys, if I'm a little bit too extra for you today. Anyway, I hope you're having a fantastic December, and let's get going with Vlogmas. That will be my next video. It'll be up later today. I love you guys so much. Mwah.